Juarez.
19 all. Second quarter, Democracia versus San Roque. 19
Now
all.
jersey number 3, harassed by jersey number 1.
Tado.
Deflected steal by jersey number 16, pass break. Layup.
Layup is good by Porras.
Time out. Baliksay Laban C. 21-19.
Democracia, 21-19.
San Roque. Time number 3, took jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Attacking the basket. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by 99. Deflected. Nakuha sa jersey number 1. Pass to 77. Blocked by jersey number 16. Now jersey number 1 goes to post. La foul. There's the whistle. Foul.
First throw by Porras. Basket. Last throw.
1 out of 2. Rebound taken by jersey number 1. Pass to 77 to 29. Attacking the basket of the glass. No good. Rebound taken by 99. Pass to jersey number 24. Now jersey number 24 to 16 to 24. La foul. Rebound taken by jersey number 19. Pass to 77. Attacking the basket. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 29. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound by 99, pass to jersey number 1. Now jersey number 1 dribbling the ball. It's nice. Minsan Barca. 24-19, Limaran C. 7 minutes and 15. Now jersey deflected. Jersey number 16. Nice pass. Kabos. Pass break, jersey number 19. Pass to 29. Jersey number 29. Pull up jumper. Friendly bounce. 2 points. 21-24.
21-24. Hinon dribbling the ball.
Jersey number 3. 3-point. Pass no good. Rebound by 24. There is no stop. 1 out of 2, 25-21. Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey deflected and steal. Steal, jersey number 16, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey, no good. Rebound by 24. On the last 2 points. It's next. Now jersey number 29 to 77. Now jersey number 29 attacking the basket. There is no whistle. Basket first free throw. One out of 2. Pass break to jersey number 8 to jersey number 24. Layup 2 points. 29-22. 5 minutes. Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket, coast to coast, drop pass to 29. There is a whistle.
Last throw. 1 out of 2, 28-23.
Substitution. Anytime.
Anom lang, coach.
The jersey number 1, pull up jumper, no good. Out of bounds. Traveling violation. The jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 9. To jersey number 24, turnover. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball.
Arenio.
Pass to jersey number 29, 3-point fires, no good. Rebound by 16. Rebound by 29. Off the glass, 2 points. 25-29. 3 minutes and 10. Now jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 16. To jersey number out of bounds. Another turnover. 29-25. Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to 27. Kick out to 29. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound taken by 17. Rebound again by 17. No good. Off the glass, 2 points. 27-29.
27-29. Dua na lang advances ang San Roque.
Now jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. Dua na lang banse. Pass to jersey number 9. Back to jersey number 1.
Inon.
2 minutes. 10 to shoot. 3-point fires. Bang! 3 points.
27-32. Reza.
Of the last 2 points. 1 minute and 40. 29-32.
29-32.
Mahona. Opa. Jersey number 1. 3-point fires. No goal. Rebound by 24. Ramos. Go pa. Drop pass to jersey number 9. Time out.
Demokrasya.
Demokrasya. Oh no. The jersey number 16. 10 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 8. 3-point fire is no good. A rebound taken by jersey number 5. Pull up jumper. No good. There's a whistle. Jersey number 29. 2 points.
Carreño.
The jersey number 24, 40 seconds. 7 seconds, 37. The jersey number 16, fires no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 1. Upang possible goals. Jersey number 2. Nice pass, nabuyan na pa. 20, agaw. There's a whistle, foul. Committed by jersey number 5. 18 seconds, 18.
Estrada.
That is your first personal foul. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Jersey number 24. Foul! Basket down!
Lugar. 30.
Tatlo naman to jersey number 2. That is your third personal foul.
34, 31.
One shot. 6 seconds. 6.
Okay, 30.
Sa execute goals. 5. Wire time.
That's the end of the third quarter. 35-31 in favor of Team San Roque.